Alright, here's the train running. Lion scroll compressor, of course. Gentech fan motor. And yeah, I got a new capacitor recently. It's about outdoor temperature. That's really ice cold and sweaty. So yeah, brand new capacitors in there, and honestly amped up the fan motor, I feel like, because the fan motor sounds louder. To the point where you can barely hear that compressor. And then here's the neighbor's carrier Century. Emerson Copeland scroll. It's got a Broad Ocean fan motor. Oh, that is very hot. That's very ice cold and sweaty. So yeah. And then here's, oh, I'll get the data on the train, I forgot. 2022 3-ton, 16 seer. Two 2008 3-ton. Yep, 13 seer. So yeah. That'll be about it. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Over and out.